Dear children, let's start our day with a motivational thought. Be kind to others. Yes, you should always be kind with everyone. In the yesterday's part, we have learned that Pinocchio wanted to go to school and wanted to learn reading in a day, writing the next day, and arithmetic on the day after that. Then Pinocchio planned to earn money for his father. His father, means Geppetto, became very happy when he knew about it. And he was a very poor man. Though it was very cold, he sold his only coat to buy school books for Pinocchio. Okay, children? Now we'll proceed towards the next part. Pinocchio started for school. He got his school books and he started for school. On the way, he came upon a puppet show. He forgot all about his plans to go to school. The naughty puppet that he was. He sold his school book and with that money he bought a ticket to the show. See, children, what he did. Pinocchio started for school and on the way he came upon a puppet show. As Pinocchio was also a puppet, he saw the puppet show was going on and he forgot all about his plans to go to school. The naughty puppet that he was, we know that it was a naughty puppet. He sold his school book with that money, bought a ticket to the show. He bought tickets to the show. He sold his school books which were brought by his father by selling his only coat, though it was very cold. When Pinocchio entered the puppet theater, the puppets on the stage saw him. They were very happy to see their brother. They forgot their play and began to call out to him. In two leaps, Pinocchio was on the stage. They all began to hug and slap one another on the back and jump and clap. People who had come to see this play did not like this interruption at all. They began to shout. Now Pinocchio got the tickets by selling his school books. He entered the puppet theater. Okay? And the puppets on the stage saw him. As Pinocchio was also a puppet, they were very happy to see their brother. The puppets on the stage, they thought that their brother was there in the theater and they became very happy. They forgot their play and began to call out to him. The puppets on the stage, they forgot everything that they were going to perform on the stage and they began to call out to Pinocchio. In two leaps, it means in two jumps, Pinocchio was on the stage. Pinocchio ran very fast and within two leaps, he was on the stage with his fellow beings. They all began to hug and slap one another on the back. See, children, they became very happy and they began to slap and hug each other and slap one another on the back and jump and clap. People who had come to see the play did not like this interruption. Interruption means disturbance. The people who bought the tickets and who were there in the theater to to see the play did not like this disturbance at all, and they began to shout. All the people in the theater, they started shouting at the puppets. Okay, the puppet master was very annoyed, and the puppet controller was very annoyed. Yes, we'll read it first. He decided to throw Pinocchio into the fire. Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master not to do that. Then, instead of Pinocchio, the puppet master chose another puppet for throwing into the fire. See, children, the puppet master got annoyed. The puppet controller who was controlling the puppets, he got annoyed. Annoyed means got angry. He decided to throw Pinocchio into the fire. And as Pinocchio was a wooden puppet, he was made of wood, so puppet controller, puppet master decided to throw him into the fire. Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master not to do that. Pinocchio's puppet friends means those were performing on the stage. They pleaded means requested, begged with the puppet master not to do that. Then, instead of Pinocchio, the puppet master chose another puppet for throwing into the fire. He left Pinocchio there and he picked another one to throw into the fire. Okay, children, I hope you understood this part, and your homework is read the lesson thoroughly and underline the new words. Okay, thank you and happy learning.